Hello everyone, my name is Fiza and I'm an instructor at AI Sciences. Data analysis is the systematic process of inspecting, cleaning, and transforming your data and then modeling it with the goal of discovering meaningful patterns, drawing conclusions, and making informed decisions. It's all about turning the chaos of numbers and information into a clear narrative that guides actions and strategies. Now let's discuss some key reasons why you should become a data analyst. In our data-driven era, information is abundant, but extracting actionable insight requires a specific skill set. Now, data analysis will allow you to transform raw data into valuable knowledge, which enables businesses to make informed decisions and gain a competitive edge. Data analysis provides the foundation for making informed decisions. Now, whether you are in business, healthcare, finance, or research, analyzing data will enable you to navigate complexities and making strategic choices based on evidence. Through data analysis, we can uncover trends and patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. Now, these insights are instrumental in understanding the past, predicting the future, and adapting to changing circumstances. Organizations leverage data analysis to optimize processes and enhance efficiency. Now, by identifying bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and areas of improvement, data-driven insights will pave the way for continuous refinement. Data analysis is at the heart of business intelligence. It transforms raw data into actionable information, which provides businesses with a competitive edge, market understanding, and the ability to respond swiftly to market dynamics. In scientific research, data analysis is fundamental to drawing conclusions from experiments, validating hypotheses, and advancing our understanding of the natural world. If you want to learn more about this topic, you can check out the link in the description that will help you in mastering this domain.